Alright, oke. Kita akan unboxing. Yeah. Alright. So, you gotta change. Ini kiriman dari Tokopedia. Aku memesannya sebuah mouse yang bermerek HP. Ini dia, dari HP Gaming Official Tokopedia, dengan pengiriman secepat. Oke. Ini dia, HP mouse gaming G200. Kita akan buka pelan-pelan ya. Dari mana? Saya dulu yang enak-enak. Kita buka pasti aja. Kosong. Wangi. Ini kita bawa pelan. Oke. Kita buka. Oke. Alright. Kalau ada dengar suara pesta, berasa ya, maaf ya, ada pesta di samping. Oke, inilah dia gaming mouse HP. Bisa pakai HP gaming mouse ke-200. Sudah ada 6 button. Wow, ini belakangnya bahasa Cina. Mouse control game instantly switch between 6 DPI settings to quickly respond to your gaming demands for targeting. Alright, this mouse setting. So we open this. Wow. It's crazy, bro. Anjir. Pengiriman ini. This is amazing. Oh, di belakang apa? It's amazing, bro. Was mantap. Wow. Di belakang ada tunjuk. Nih dari HP. Alright. Product notice. Product notice. What is this? Product warranty card. Apa ini? Just product support by SP. Okay, I know that. Karena jangan bukanya katanya pelan-pelan. Wow. Wow. Okay. Alright. This empty. Oh my god. Damn. Jeez. Okay. We're gonna tarik ini dulu. Tarik sini. Oh my god. Oh my god. Damn. Look at that. Just clicking. You hear that? You hear? You hear that? You hear that? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, this is so not loud, but that clicking. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at that. What is that? Name gaming mouse G200 100 mAh. Oh. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna use my laptop. Okay, goodbye. I'm gonna use my laptop. Okay, kenapa gua milih mouse HP? Gara-gara laptop aku juga HP gitu. Ya, jadi suka aja sama HP. Enak gitu ya. HP itu enak jadi. Sugar. Gak sakit cuy, mata cuy. HP itu tenang, selalu flawless. Wow, look at this. About this. Everything. That's why I love HP. Gaming mouse. You look at my hand. This. Look. Just. I like this. I like it. Alright. I put this into my laptop. I put it. Alright. Oh, look at that. Wow. Look at this. Berwarna. Wow. Look at this. Oh my god. Look at that, bro. How is fast response. Wow. Oh my god. Look. My god is. You see my laptop? Alright. That response is ever so quite easy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at that. Oh my god. So simple. Alright. That's I use aku beli apa HP gaming ini aku suka HP ya gara-gara aku sebenarnya aku dulu tuh nggak pernah suka ya pada HP, karena setelah ada suatu merek, yaitu merek Omen, laptop Omen, aku kayak wah ini keren ini, udah simple, kecil, jadi enak. Ternyata itu yang mempunyai produk Omen itu adalah HP sendiri. Jadi suatu HP itu memunculkan produk yaitu Omen dengan versi gamingnya. Nah, aku suka di situ, jatuh cinta pada HP, bahwa HP itu wow, keren aja. Mungkin di video episode kedua aku akan beli keyboardnya. Aku beli keyboard HP, nanti aku kasih tunjuk keyboardnya. Jadi tenang aja, tunggu aja videonya, like and subscribe aja video ini, karena akan terus berlanjut. Benedict, I'm come back, I will come back. Okay, bye and see you tomorrow. Peace out. No, like this. Yes, peace out. Bye.